I love that. Hello vlog. I have some news for you guys. You guys are probably like, what? Oh my god, they already have fall stuff in here. Oh, these remind me of like the beach. And like sand and rocks. Slime.
I want to do my own slime.
Wait, this is so light actually. Doesn't it feel like there's nothing in
I
there?
couldn't pay for $2 about getting this slime.
My settings. Actually, I'll keep my settings like this. I'll probably look really pale right now because I have it on fluorescent lighting. But we're going into another store anyways, so that's why I'm just gonna leave it on there. I tried these on, they look terrible on me, but I think they look cute on you. No, they look cute on you, for real. No, watch on me. Look. I look stupid. I didn't do a fit check. But Lululemon. My top is thrifted. This cardigan is also thrifted. And these earrings are from when I went to Art in the Park. Yay. Snacks. Sir, I know my parking is bad. Don't look at me like that. Thank you.
That's very fucking smart.
Awesome. Hello vlog. We are here.
Look at Ryan's face.
This is Monique's boyfriend. Nothing special. It's okay. We're at this place called Branco's Pizza. Never been. She says it's the best pizza. So
Oh damn!
the thing is,
look at it.
I know.
Dark.
I literally just had pizza, so I don't know if I. No, I literally went in the mirrr. I just got this necklace today too.
Look
Look.
how burnt I am.
Look how cute this is. Yeah, you got color. I think I have a little bit of color too. We were
I'm at a 10 right now.
of hungry.
Yeah,
So what size pizza are you gonna get?
large.
Okay.
Oh, then I'll.
Large.
How many slices are in a large?
Last
Look at
time,
this
didn't we?
drink. Those flavors are melting all the way down. I'm so sorry, guys.
Oh, I'm not.
I want to try it.
It's a season.
Is this a chicken shit?
I do this.
I wouldn't like it.
I know it, man.
Wait, I should have. That was the nastiest thing.
Look at that.
Cheers. Oh, there's a bug that literally. Hello? Literally hit me right in the face.
Toronto Airport.
Looks like a grandma with these shoes. Look at it. When it's like, take your socks off.
Yeah, look at. Stop. Your
dude.
phone is stressing the.
No, it is gonna fall out of his pocket. It really is. We're going to some bonfire. Where are we going? I don't know what this is.
That Dollarama always been there.
Anyways, I'll see you guys
It's always been over
in a
here.
bit. What are we getting? Pastries? I'm gonna get that lemonade. God, look at it. Actually, these are good.
Gummies.
Maybe I should get this. I mean, it's $5, but yeah, that is kind of a lot. Oh, this little one. $4. What? Why so much? 2 for 2? Oh, let's do that. Here, pick one you want. Do you want to do sour keys?
Sure.
Let's do that. Maybe we'll have a little snack later. Hello. Now I'm literally going to go get my mom again. Nothing new here. She still doesn't have a car. After that, I have some news for you guys. That's a completely new chapter in my life that I never would have thought would happen even this year or any soon time coming. But it's happening literally this Thursday and I'm like Anyways, I'll tell you guys when I'm ready, but right now I'm like freaking out because I had to go get stuff for it, so. Oh, anyways, let's go get my shoes on. So I just got back from the mall. Should I tell you guys now? Should I tell you guys? She's digging my couch. Do you want the blanket? Hold on. Let me find something to put you guys on. So, basically the big news that totally came out of nowhere and totally, like, is so random. I got a part-time job. You guys are probably like, what? Like, what happened? What about your business? What about your business being full-time and all that? And I'm still gonna do it, like, pretty much full-time. But for me, okay, this is a really long story, but to kind of shorten it, ever since COVID, you know, I started my business peak COVID, and I never got to fully graduate from college. We kind of just, they said, go home for 2 weeks and you'll be back. And then I never got to see anyone ever again. So I never got like full closure, and I never got to be in a work environment again. I know college isn't like work, but like you go there every day and you do your stuff and you talk to people and you communicate and you learn new skills, and I don't have that anymore. Because I started my own business, you're very isolated, you're very alone. And yes, I love it so much, but I never realized how much loneliness I felt until this year. And then once moving out of my parents' house with that toxic situation that I was in, I realized that I kind of want to get out of the house, and I kind of want to maybe do something. And I even thought about volunteering. I was like, well, now that I have a car, maybe I can volunteer some places. I can help out some companies, and because I don't really need the money. I mean, extra money is always nice, especially in this economy. But I was like, I just want to learn better communication skills. I want to be a part of the community again. I want to talk to people. I want to get out. I want to learn new skills. And I was like, how am I going to do that? Then, all of a sudden, I'm not going to tell you guys the place that I got hired at, but all of a sudden this place needed help, and I didn't even go in there with a resume. I literally walked in there with a business card, of my literal business card, and I just put my phone number on it, and I gave it to them, and then I got a call back, and I started Thursday. So, it's totally random. But I'm really excited, and you know, I can still do my business. I'm still going to do all my business stuff. I just kind of have to work around it, because for this job, it's only part-time, so I'm only working 3 days a week. For orders and stuff, I'm just gonna have to see how things go. I'm just gonna have to go with the flow. I'm gonna have to kind of just see how everything is gonna work out, because who knows? I could get very overwhelmed. And I don't know, we'll just have to see what happens, but I'm really excited. So that is why I went and spent $200 at the mall, because she kind of has like a dress code. Not really, it's not strict at all. She just said no crop tops and no short shorts, which I don't wear short shorts anyway, so that's fine. But a lot of my shirts are crop tops. So I was like, I probably should, sorry, there's a man. Ew, a man. I probably should go get some more bodysuits and stuff like that. So I'm obviously not wearing crop tops, because I don't want to have to wear crop tops. The only thing I didn't get is t-shirts, but I think I'm going to want to run out to Walmart tonight, and I still have to get like a lunch bag. Guys, I'm actually going to go to work. We just have to see. Guys, I really have no idea. But I'm really excited. Do you guys want to haul? You guys probably didn't expect that at all, because I literally made a video not long ago literally saying, is my business my full-time job? And I was like, yeah. But if you guys run a business, or you guys know how small businesses are when you work alone and you don't go to school, because I did do school with I did do full-time school with my business when I started. So I was able to time manage then. That's why I think I'll be able to do it fine, because I was doing 5 days every single day of school, and I was living in a toxic house situation, and I was working from home on my laptop every day, and I was also running my business, packing orders. Okay, it was a lot. I was very stressed out then, but this is only 3 days a week, so what I'm gonna have to do, sorry I'm rambling so much, I apologize, but I just kind of want to get my train of thought out. What I'm gonna do tomorrow, because since I start Thursday, today is Tuesday, I'm gonna film my restock stuff tomorrow for Saturday, because I'm working Thursday, Friday, so I'm not gonna be able to film Thursday or Friday. And that's that. All right. Who wants a haul? So what I'm doing right now is I have to, one, I'm going to show you guys what I bought. And then I have to clean this room. And then I am going to pack orders. And then once I'm done packing orders, I'm going to, I think I'm running to Walmart because I need to get a lunch bag and I need to get t-shirts, like I said. So let me show you what I bought first. Then we're gonna clean because I went to Forever 21. I found these really cute earrings. I like couldn't not. My mom always gets mad at me when I buy, ignore this mess, I'm so sorry. My mom always gets mad at me when I buy earrings because I make earrings, but I like love stuff like this and I could totally make stuff like this, but it takes so much longer. But like, look how cute. And they were 50% off, so I was like, why not? They're like cute, simple, you know, bodysuits. It looks like this. It's like a cream color. I was like, I just need basic colors. Like these kind of tops I can wear over top of my plain tank top bodysuits that I got. So I got this and I can like unbutton it and wear it as like kind of like a cardigan thing, but it's still thin enough for when it's really hot out. Hair clips, so I literally just got these because hair clips are so easy to just throw in your hair. Okay, so I have this in black and I love it, so I thought I'd get more colors. So I got this brown one. I thought I would get one of these too because then I can wear one of those long sleeve kind of blouse things over top. And then I got this one. So lots of just like plain colored bodysuits, just like a thin flannel. Last thing, which is just a little like cardigan throwover, which I think would look really cute with those brown bodysuits. And this was literally, it was only $7 because it was on sale, so I was like, why not? Okay. Then I went to Marshall's and I just grabbed like a cup for like when if I don't want to buy a coffee, because in the mornings you do not want to wait in the coffee lines at Tim Hortons and Starbucks and McDonald's. You do not want to wait for a coffee because you will be late for whatever you're going to. So I just bought like something like this that I can make a coffee there if they have instant coffee there, or I can make one at home and bring it with me. So yeah. And that concludes my work haul. So that was my big news I had to tell you guys. And we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of nervous and scared and excited and all the emotions in one. And yeah, I think it's going to be a really good learning experience and I'm excited. So, I now have to clean this disaster. This absolute disaster. And then we have to pack orders.